Good morning students. Today we are going to learn how to find area of rectangle and square. What does area mean? Area measures the surface of a simple closed region. The units of area are the squares of the units of length. Thus, area can be expressed in square units, that is square centimeter or square meter or square kilometer. There are two methods to find area. First, by dividing a region into unit squares and thereafter counting the unit squares. And the second one is by using formula. We can use either of the methods to find area. First, we will learn how to find area of a given figure by counting the unit squares. Example, if it is given, find the area of a simple closed region and there is a square given A, B, C, D. How we are going to find by using the counting squares? Look at the figure A, B, C, D. It is divided into 25 equal squares of side 1 centimeter each. Thus, we say that the area of square ABCD is equal to 25 square centimeter. Square centimeter is written in short as SQCM, where SQ represents square and cm represent centimeter. Now let's find area of the another figure. Here each square is equal to 1 square centimeter and each half square equals half square centimeter. On counting, we get the figure has 14 squares and 2 half squares. Therefore, the area of the given figure is equal to 14 plus half, which will be equal to 14 plus 1, which will be equal to 15 square centimeter. Now, when we are finding area of plane figure by counting unit squares, we have to remember few points. What we have to remember is that we should ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. If a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. Now, let us find area by using formula. There are two formulas, one for finding area of rectangle and the other one is to find the area of square. Now, what is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth. Now, let us solve one example. Find the area of a rectangle where suppose PQRS is a given rectangle, okay, and length is given 7 units and breadth is given 5 units. So how we are going to find it? We will find the area of rectangle using the formula A is equal to L into B, where L is given and B is given. Now, after putting the values of length and breadth, what we are going to get? We get 7 into 5, which is equal to 35 square units, or in short, we can write it as SQ units. Now, let us do one more example. Find the area of rectangle having length is equal to 33 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meters. So, we have to find a rectangle, area of rectangle where length is equal to 33 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meter. Now, by using formula, we will write A is equal to L into B, which is equal to 33 into 10, which is equal to 330 square meter. Now let us find what is the formula for finding the area of a square. Now area of square, by using formula, it is area of square is equal to S into S, that is equal to side, where S is the side of the square, or you can say as the length of the side. Now let us solve one example. Find the area of square WXYZ, where side is equal to 13 units. Now let us apply the formula. A is equal to S into S, which is equal to 13 unit into 13 unit, and which is will be equal to 13 into 13, it will be 169, which will be equal to 169 square units. Now let us solve one more example. Suppose we have to find area of a square where having side of length 9 centimeter. So how we are going to find? Now just apply the formula. Area A is equal to side into side, which is equal to 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter, which will be equal to 81 square centimeter. In this way, we have learned two formula. One is area of rectangle is equal to L into B, and area of square is equal to side into side. These two formula, you write it in your classwork copy before starting, after writing the heading, perimeter and area.